I mean, obviously, we're very happy that we got 5 in a row wins now. It wasn't that easy for us last 4 days to play 3 games and a travel day as well involved. So the team, the management, the physios have put in that extra effort to make sure all the players are recovered well, giving water, giving electrolytes, the massage, everything's happened so well, and the team camaraderie is actually very happy, and we're having fun right now.
Which brings me to the next question. You had this match scheduled back in the middle of the tournament. 3 games in the space of 4 days involving travel as well. At the start of the season, maybe was this addressed at any point that you know how you need to start the season to ensure that even if there are any slip-ups in this crucial phase.
I mean, we did talk about it before the tournament started. We discussed how the schedule looked like. Playing back to back is not easy. So Malo sir and the whole support staff actually let us know that how to uh, put in that practice days, when to rest, how well can we recover during those 4 days. Now that we've achieved it really well, we're happy that we have 4 days off, so we can just rest and recover now.
Hi, Shankar.
Hi.
Gautami obviously played really well today. Just like for a lot of us on the outside, she's a bit of an unknown commodity, but just going by how she was playing in events and like like impression of her, do you think such a knock was coming? And like, what do you feel of her and how important?
I mean, personally, if you ask me, the way she batted, we all knew that it's coming soon because I have watched her closely in the domestic circuit as well. The way she hits the ball, not many can hit the ball that big in domestic. So she's worked really hard. She's put in that extra yards. Fielding, batting. She also bowls, but we haven't seen her yet. Hopefully, it stays that way. But she's put in a lot of effort, and great to see her score today when team was actually under pressure. She did a really good job. So yeah, her knock really helped us.
And your own function, obviously you took a fight recently back in the India T20 side, come back after a long year. After an injury, is there like urge to like over eagerness sometimes, and how are you balancing that and making sure that you're not like thinking too far ahead, or how do you balance?
I mean, this injury phases, what I've learned from this injury phase is that staying calm and being patient, just not overthinking or picturizing what is going to come next, just thinking what I can do better, how I can get better in my own skill or mentally, for that matter. Even now that I've been picked up in the Indian team for the T20 series against Australia, I'm really happy and grateful. I'm blessed to be in the Indian squad again. But now my objective is to win the WPL trophy for RCB, and that's my short-term goal. And then once I land Australia, I think my focus will switch to Indian team.
Yeah. Obviously, during the injury, you would have had to work on your body and your fitness. But in terms of your bowling, did you get a lot of time to introspect on what had gone in the past? And in terms of adding to your game, was that a like helpful phase in a way, in the sense?
I mean, obviously, when you get that long break, you will want to work more on your batting, bowling, fielding, any department that way. Uh, but my bowling is, I always try and keep it very simple. The last couple of months, where what I've worked towards is the variations, bowling those arm balls, keeping it right on the stumps, be it Yorkers, wide Yorkers. So I've kept it really simple, and I'm working towards the variations. As I said, I'm still working on them. So yeah, it's been a great 14 months in terms of learning.
Anything, one last question? Yeah. A word on Saini as well. We've seen two back-to-back performances. First over, wickets knocked out from her. The kind of work ethic she's shown in the nets. She's previously, I think, been associated with RCB net as a
Yes, she was, yeah.
So just if you could tell us about the kind of work ethic she has, the kind of ideas she's put behind the scenes that we probably don't see on TV as much.
I mean, being a fast bowler, the work, as you said, the work ethics, she's put in that extra yard again, like Gautami, done really well in the domestic circuit. Even with the bat, she has won the games. With the ball, she has won the games for Mumbai. Great talent. She has that calmness. She is someone who really wants to learn from every game, goes back. No matter what, she's so well disciplined. We keep her, we watch her, then we know that, okay, she's going to come with something more exciting. So whenever she's bowled, I've really enjoyed getting those initial breakthroughs. Is something where the team has always been uplifted and we feel happy. As a bowling unit, we obviously want those wickets in the power play initially. So yeah, we're enjoying so far.
Actually, your spell totally changed the momentum of the game. So, at what point did you think that RCB is taking the game as a control?
In the first innings, you're saying batting?
In a batting.
I mean, we didn't start off really well. We wanted to read the conditions even better. So when Smriti and Gautami were on the strike, I think the partnership really helped us, and that's when the momentum came back to us. The positive thing was Gautami taking the strike, Smriti rotating. So it was very easy for us to just chill in the dugout and watch them play. A good partnership, and then it continued with Richa, Radha, Nadine innings. So yeah, it just didn't stop after that.